Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I am going to be reviewing the trendy imPRESS Kiss lashes that already have the glue on them. I have seen this all over TikTok and everything. Me personally, I've already used the Kiss lash glue and lashes, so if you want to see that video, I'll have it linked down below. So I was just so excited to go ahead and give this one a try. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. Hey guys, so I have the lashes right here. These are the Kiss imPRESS press-on falsies. They're in the style voluminous. So I'm going to be trying these out for you guys. So this is the applicator that it comes with. So I normally like their other applicator, but I'm just gonna try this out and see. But this is the one that they gave me last time that I normally like to use. I'm just gonna try and use theirs and see how I like it. They have a long and medium, so I'm gonna put the long around the outer side and the medium along the inner side. But we're gonna go in at the end and kind of squish them at the root. Okay, that one was a little bit better. I feel like the first one didn't have enough glue on it. Okay, so these, I put on 3 long ones. I'm gonna go ahead and now put on 3 shorter ones. Oh, see, these so expensive to just be falling around. Okay, so now that I have them all on, I'm gonna go ahead and do this technique that I saw, that you just like squish them. And this is what I would do normally with the ones that require glue. So let me go ahead and Alright, so it looks super pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and then come back and show you guys the final results. Alright you guys, so I currently have both eyes done. This one did take me significantly longer than this one. They're both super pretty, but honestly, to me, my personal opinion, I probably won't be buying these again, only because, for one, they took the same amount of time as if I used the glue ones, just because some of them did not have enough glue on them, so like I ended up wasting one, and to be honest, it doesn't come with that many anyway, so it's kind of like when you waste one, it's kind of like, dang, like that's a whole $1 right there, because you know it only comes with so many in this pack, and this was $14. I don't know if they have other options that, you know, doesn't come with the applicator and is a little bit cheaper, because once you get this one time, you're not gonna need it again. So maybe that's why, but nonetheless, they're just pretty and I really like how they look. But I'm gonna go ahead and go throughout my day, come back and check in with you guys, because I do have them on. At least they're on. I want to see if they last all day and if they give me any issues, and I will check back with you. Hey y'all, please don't mind my dog barking in the background. They're barking at the neighbor's dog. But basically, I'm about to end my night. I done worked out, took a shower, everything, and the lashes are still intact. Like, I'm really impressed with how well they stayed on and how comfortable they are. Like, I feel like these could last until tomorrow, but my my glasses, it's irritate lashes. Ooh. Lashes are irritating when you have glasses on. But yeah, I would give these a 6 out of 10. My only complaint is that all the lashes don't have the same amount of glue on them. So some go on easy and some take a little bit more effort. But overall, I really do like how they look. And yeah, I give it a 6 out of 10. So if you guys enjoy this review, please let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.